So here's a video on the 2018 Can-Am Defender Max water pump seal removal and installation. There's not too many good ones on the YouTube, so I figured I'd make one and put one on there. So what you're going to do is first remove your shock absorber that goes to your bed down to here. That just gives you a little extra room. I've already done it. You're going to want to remove your fuel tank and your ECM. In order to get your fuel tank out, you are going to have to unscrew and remove your dipstick tube. I've already done that, put it back in so I don't get any dirt in there. We're going to come down here. All the way down the bottom is your water pump and impeller and seal. I've already removed the housing and the impeller. The impeller just screws off counterclockwise, usually comes off by hand. You're going to want to take that seal and it literally gets ripped in two. You're going to have to destroy that seal to get it out. So I found the best way to go is this inner metal piece here. Go ahead and fold that up with I use a little rolled heel bar. A lot of people use screwdrivers. Fold that up alongside the shaft as good as you can get it, and then you're going to remove this rubber gasket here. It's kind of a seal. And then behind that you have a spring, which is right there. You can kind of see it. That spring will come out and you'll be left with this inner lip seal here, and you've also got to get that out. And what you do is I take a little chisel very carefully and kind of tap this right here, this lip right here, and push it in, and then eventually you'll be able to work around that and pull that seal out. Now it's not easy by any means. This is the hardest part of the job. But I'm going to go ahead and get working on this inner seal here, this inner portion here, and once I get that out, I'll come back to the video and we'll pick up where we left off. Okay, so I've gotten the seal and the spring out. This is kind of how it is. You'll have an outer seal, an inner seal. Behind that you'll have a spring. And as you can see, I literally had to destroy that seal to get it out. Now it's got some ceramic in there. It's like a little ceramic washer. Let's see if I can find that. I just dropped it. So when you take it out and you hear some crunching, don't be too alarmed. There's a piece of it right there. It's a piece of ceramic, so that'll break. If you hear some crunching, don't worry, it's normal. Now here's where I'm at on the seal and the housing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. This is my weapon of choice here, and you can see a lip. You see where I've smashed that around there? You can see a lip in there, right there. Now I'm going to kind of chisel that lip up to get this inner metal piece off of that shaft, and then you can get to working on this. So I'm going to pause again. I'm going to get this outer piece off, and we'll pick up where we left off. Alright, so we're back. I got that inner piece out. You can see it's got a little bevel on it, so that is quite a pain to get out. I'm going to show you the carnage I had to do to that seal in order just to get that out of there. So you can see it ain't easy. This is the hardest part of the job. So on that lip, I just kind of took a screwdriver here and split that inner seal down, and then you got to kind of pry it out about a quarter of the way around, and then it'll let you pull it out, because that bevel on the back side prevents you from doing that. So next, you're going to get right in here and take my weapon of choice. It's what I found to be the easiest. It's a round punch, grind it down at an angle. And I'll get this in here, and I'll get a little lip going on that, and then work it around, and this inner piece will come out.